What's up, y'all? Cooley and yep. She ain't even gonna say nothing. Chop RATZ Garage.
What's up, losers?
Yeah, buddy. As you can see, well, the wind's blowing a little bit, so I don't know how good you'll be able to hear us because we ain't fancy with all them little mics on our hats and all that stuff. But
We do have them.
we have them. But yeah, why don't we use them then? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Do that again because I can't make it look cool. So here you go. Yeah, our boy Damon's bike. I wished he was here so he could ride it too, but I'm gonna have to ride it and make sure nothing falls off because I ain't perfect, you know, and that kind of this, that, and the other.
You just got to practice again so you don't fall off.
I got you. Yeah, I just started riding like 2 weeks ago. But yeah, we're gonna give y'all a little quick walk around this bike, and I'm gonna test ride it here in a minute. We took it for a little tornado test ride, but that didn't last very long the other day. So if y'all had seen that, but here we go. Flip it around, babe. Show them what's up. You're looking good. That orange is off the hook, if you ask me. Our boy John on the move. Look, laying that paint down. You can see this seat's covered in a Dixon flannel. Shout out to Dixon flannel. That and the handlebar pad, which these are, yes, they are dirt bike handlebars.
One of my favorite parts.
Just trying to mix it up a little. If we could, I believe if we could have got a knobby tire that wide, we would have put knobby tires on it too. But just trying to make it look cool. You know, that old chestnut. Yeah, the old bike, it's pretty cool. I'm gonna take it for a little ride down the road real quick. I don't know if it'll start. I just rolled it outside. So.